Alright guys, we're back with the next episode of Chainsaw Man. I think it's episode 5 that we're on now. We left off on quite the cliffhanger. I guess he was about to get his reward or whatever. So, yeah, we'll see what happens with that. Anyways, I guess we'll get started with the episode. We'll start in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. God, he's like hyperventilating about it.
They're gonna use all 3 right away.
I have no idea what he's thinking.
Why did she even care to begin with?
I don't find them.
Still thinking about it.
You bitch.
デンジ君、何か悩みでもあるの？
俺はずっと追いかけていたもんをやっと掴んだんです。初めて胸を揉んでみたら大したこと
It wasn't that great.
って話です。
I wonder if that's what she thought he was talking about.
デンジ君、エッチなことはね、相手のことを理解すればするほど気持ちよくなれると。
She has him wrapped around her finger, man.
Yeah, she does.
指を噛まれたことはある？
Ever had your finger bit? What a question. It's highly erotic in Japan.
私だってわかるくらい。
I don't know if he's serious or not.
I have no idea. I'm just
覚
kidding.
えて。
So what's his new goal gonna be?
お願いがあるんだけど。
There it is.
いいかな。
はい。
銃の悪魔を倒してほしいの。
Gun devil.
銃の悪魔。
Nice.
13年前、米国に出現して、
In
今
America.
はどこにいるかわからない。
You knew it had to
Yeah.
be America.
全てのデビルハンターを殺したが
It's on the nose.
私が君の願い事、何でも一つ
Oh
叶えて
god.
Oh no.
デンジ君が銃の悪魔を殺したら、マキマさんが願い事何でも一つ叶えてあげるっつうことですか？
The fuck are you in third person for?
例えば
何でもだよ、デンジ君。
This is still like a government job. This is so unethical.
アメリカで銃を使った大きなテロが起こったの。その日に銃の悪魔が現れた。
外でキャッチボールしてよ。太陽の具合が良くないんだ。一人でできる遊びをしなさい。そんなのいつもだろ。太陽が元気な時なんてないじゃん。
お兄ちゃんなんだから我慢して一人で遊びなさい。
Everybody's marching everywhere.
ついてくんなよ。家からグローブ取ってこい。
What's the dad's excuse not to be out here now? They're both outside.
Yeah. Gotta let him bond.
Yeah, that's true.
Oh no.
Oh god.
だいたい5分弱で120万人を殺した後、
1.2 million. Jesus.
今日まで姿を消している。その後、悪魔そのものに対する恐怖が高まって、すべての悪魔が以前よりも力が強くなったの。
なんかよく
So is everybody aware of devils?
Yeah, they're way too common for people not to know.
大丈夫でしょ。
I mean, even as a kid, Dingy knew about them.
それなこれは集めた10の悪魔の肉片。移動速度が速すぎて体が少し焦げ落ちたみた
Do
い。
those bullets have veins?
悪魔がこの肉片を食べると
Oh, it's like slime or something.
Slime.
10の悪魔はとっても強い悪魔だからね。この肉片がある程度の大きさになれば元の体の場所に戻ろうとするみたい。だからこの肉片をもっと大きくすれば10の悪魔にたどり着く。
What kind of devil even is that? Looks like a fish insect.
Those look like the eggs they try to get us to eat.
Was that a devil?
Yeah, I think so, because it had a piece of the gun devil in it.
It was just like a fish that turned into a devil because it ate the bullet, right?
Oh, I wonder if that's possible.
このホテル内のどこかに潜んでいる。それもこれはただの悪魔じゃない。銃の肉片を食べた
It's like
悪魔だ。
pointing to it.
お前ら敬語はどうした？
あ何の得もねえのに
人間は
誰が
愚かで
てめえに
変わらん
敬語使うんだよ。
Gum.
早川先輩。
先輩。
よし。
It's so simple. I like how they get along. They're kind of similar.
Yeah.
これから一緒に悪魔とタオは魔人で、僕タオはチンピラ。
They're like, what the fuck are you
中は
talking
信用
about?
できません。お前らに人権はない。
It's cold.
めっちゃキレてんじゃん。朝のあれのせいだな。
あのいたずらはさすがにまずかった
I don't know.
いたずらレベルじゃねえ。
What the fuck did they do?
お何があったの？
褒美くれ。
おお。
You got your reward.
私が一肌脱いでやろう。今回の悪魔を倒した人にはなんと私がほっぺにキスしてあげまーす。
そんなことはやめてください。
キスは俺もいいや。大丈夫。やる気はあっから。俺は初めての銃は誰にするか決めてんだ。その人のために肉片だかなんだかを集めてよ。銃の悪魔をぶっ殺すまでキスはしね
You celibate.
え。エッチなことは理解し合った人間同士でするから気持ちがいいんだ。名前も知らねえあんたの唇には興味ないね。
へえ。
ベロ入れたキスしてあげる。
How long can they keep this up?
弾のコーナー危険だ。止まれ。
男の子から
Speed
一番
walking.
面白いや。どうしよ
I still want to know what the prank was.
血が飲みたい。
Yeah, I know. It's killing me.
ベロキスは俺がもらう。
野郎がくっついてくんじゃねえ。気持ち悪い。
姫野先輩、新人たちは使えそうですか？
新井くんは実力不足だけどやる気は十分って感じ。小紅ちゃんは引っ込み思案だけどかなり動けるかな。あきく
Interesting.
んはこの新人4人生き残れると思う？
こいつは強いなと思ったやつも、そうでないやつも。1年あれば死ぬか民間に行きます。
答えになってないな。あきくんは死なないでね。
Hope that wasn't foreshadowing.
Yeah, for real.
姫野、お前の新しいバディだ。ブレーダーが少しは使えるように育てた。うまくやれ。
俺はアキ。よろしく。
君を使えるの？
さあ、まあ。
私のバディ、君で6人目。
That's not good.
全員死んでるの。使えない雑魚だから全員死んだ。
That's cold.
アキくんは死なないでね。来る。
What's it gonna be? Ugh.
Oh, wow. Was that a foot and a hand?
I think so.
捕まえた。
Oh, that was cool.
悪魔め、わしにビビって浮き合ったわ。
Floated in fear.
違う、私の力。
なんじゃ？
私は幽霊の悪魔と契約してるの。私の右目を
Oh, I forgot about the contracts.
ゴーストの右手を使える？
Right eye. Ghost hand thing is so cool.
Yeah, it is. Would you give up an eye for it, though?
強い反応はなし。
Well, I don't know. It's a good
こいつじゃな
question.
いですね。
そっか。じゃあ上の階に行くか。
The clear answer is yes.
Yeah, I think the clear answer is yes.
I don't know. Don't you lose a lot of
If it has like
depth
super
perception and
strength,
stuff?
I think your brain adjusts for that eventually over time. Probably not perfect though.
じゃあわしがこいつを殺すと言ったらどうする？
武器を引っ込めな。悪いことしたらいつでも首を絞め殺せるぞ。
Damn. I love how they're showing it.
Yeah,
That'd be so frustrating to be like choked by something you can't touch.
right.
くやろうよ。
もう少し静かに。俺。どうした？俺たち今8階から9階へ行く階段を上りましたよね。ああ、ここも8階ですよ。
Some fuckery's going on.
違う。何かがおかしい。確認してくれ。
決めた。ステーキにして食ってやるわ。
ステーキ。俺ステーキ食ってみて。
Oh shit.
Is he on a loop?
新井君、今階段降りていったよね。
あ
Nice. That setup was
Yeah.
really good for the next episode. I feel like I love the idea of like an infinite hotel.
Oh yeah.
It's almost like what's it called? The domain things and domain expansions in Jujutsu Kaisen.
That's exactly what I was thinking because I just
Yeah.
rewatched that first season.
Yeah. By the way, guys, we're definitely gonna be watching Jujutsu Kaisen season 2.
Dude,
Eric?
I can't wait.
Eric just caught up on season 1, so season 2 is like on our list. But yeah, so kind of disappointing with his like fondling of Power's chest. It wasn't quite as good as he thought it was gonna be.
I just appreciate his growth and character development and when we see his goals evolve over time.
Yeah, because he is like, he's lived alone. He's probably had like no socialization at all. He has no idea what's going on in the city. So
Yeah.
he's kind of making it up as he goes along. He's not doing bad.
His goal was corrupted in like 5 seconds, though.
Why?
Yeah.
When she whispered it into his ear.
Oh, yeah. Oh, you're talking about for the second goal he had of kissing
Yeah.
Makima? Yeah.
We've got to have like a larger arc and then a smaller arc to each. Yeah.
Right, exactly. He has his like, it's like One Piece. It's his One
It's
Piece.
his side goal.
Yeah.
Right.
But yeah. All right, well, I guess we're going to get to the next episode, see what's going on with this hotel. I'm really excited for Eric to see this next part because I just think this whole arc is like amazing. I love it. I like every arc in this show, but this next one's like really good. So, all right, guys,
Yeah,
we're going to catch you in the next episode then. Later, guys.